1. Introduction. Welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use the Extruded Boss / base feature. 2. Starting a new part. Open SolidWorks and click New. Select Part and click OK. 3. Selecting a sketch plane. Go to the Sketch tab. Choose a plane, front plane, top plane, or right plane. 4. Creating a basic sketch. Select the rectangle, circle, or line tool. Sketch the basic 2D shape for your part. 5. Adding dimensions. Click Smart Dimension. Add the required dimensions to fully define the sketch. 6. Accessing Extrude feature. Go to Features tab. Click Extruded Boss / base. 7. Setting extrude parameters. Enter the extrusion depth. Choose direction, blind, midplane, or up to surface. 8. Completing the extrude. Click OK to finish the extrusion. The 2D sketch is now converted into a 3D model. 9. Editing the extrude.